Yeah. Tell him this mine. Yeah, my time it is now. Nobody stops me taking the crown. I did a lot, they changing the style to do what I did. They making me proud. I'm young and I'm free. I go to love to achieve. They wanna stop, believe, but people are looking at me. It couldn't be. Better believe. This my moment. I said it's my moment. I came here to own it. Man, it's my moment. Man, it's my. I said it's my moment to shine. I used to take it a day at a time. I used to wait, but I'm making it mine. Was at the bottom, but able to climb. And look how I rise up. At the top, you gon' find us looking refined, not how you define us. Can this beat get a moment of silence? This time I'm fired up. I give it my all. I said my moment is now. No laying around. I put my stick in the ground. Just so you know, ain't no mistaking it now. Forget what you make of it. Got my eye on the prize. I'm taking it. Got the fire inside it. Man, it's my moment.
Grace, bukal ba sa iyong loob ay pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jay na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Jay, bukal ba sa iyong loob ay pagparito ang makaisang dibdib si Grace na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Today, tutuparin ko na ang pangarap mo. Ang marinig ang matamis kong I do. Thank you for patiently waiting, not just for this moment, but throughout our relationship, from courtship to engagement, and now to this day. Salamat sa pagtupad ng mga pangarap natin bago tayo ikasal. 6 years ago, pinagdasal ko na kung papasok ako sa relasyon, sana siya na hanggang dulo. And then God gave me you. Ay.
Kaya nga, sa misa nating ito, let us ask for God's grace, always to remind you to be faithful to one another.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil nakilala ko. At ngayon, sa harap ng Diyos, pamilya at mga mahal natin sa buhay, pinapangako kong mamahalin kita ng walang katapusan. Nangangako akong mamahalin, iingatan, aalagaan, iintindihin, susuportahan at pagsisilbihan.
Tandaan ninyo, ang pag-ibig ay hindi lamang emosyon, kundi isang desisyon. Isang desisyon na mananatili kayo at iingatan ninyo ang puso ng bawat isa.
Lose hold of me now. I'm barely
mag-travel na tayo nang walang chaperone. Pwede na tayong umuwi ng late. No more good nights over video calls kasi masasabi na natin yun ng personal sa isa't isa.
Bubuksan ka na ba? Mahirap hawakan.
Parang pilay
Pahawak
yung
ka.
Hindi yata Jordan.
To my generous man, I'm so excited to give you this gift kasi alam ko matagal mo nang gusto tong bilhin. Pero nade-delay dahil may ibang bagay na dapat i-prioritize. Thank you for all your sacrifices. I really appreciate everything you do for us. You deserve all the happiness and I can't wait to continue our journey together. Always here for you. Gracia. Seryoso ba yan? Seryoso ba to? Seryoso ba to? Sobrang bait ng bride ko. Sinurpresa niya talaga akong maigi. Talaga ako tayo dito. Pahing tubig.
Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue. I thought it was only made for movie screens. Then you came along and you changed everything. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always.
Sa bawat segundo, minuto at oras na lilipas, gusto kong alam mo, ikaw ang pinili at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko araw-araw. Wow! Thank you, A. See you later. I love you. I choose you today, tomorrow, and every day after. I will always stand by your side in both good times and bad. I will never stop choosing you.
Kahit anong pagsubok man ang dumating sa ating buhay, pangako ko sa iyo, nasabay natin itong araw. Mahal na mahal ko ka. Magpakailanman at magpahalang.
Even when the things get tough, pinapangako ko na ikaw ang una at huling lalaking mamahalin ko. I love you, my super A.
Hold me close, don't let me go. 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 I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always.